Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna...
Careful. Remove your slippers so you can lay down. Duyan-duyan in the morning si Ryan. Careful. I'll swing you now, okay?
I don't think I'm gonna fall down.
Sleeping like a baby. It's too small, Lala. It's not for laying down, I think. It's just for sitting. Nice place, right? Very windy. Malapit kami sa basketball court. Yeah, later maraming tao dito.
This is curry leaf, the most important leaf in India. Most of the dishes, you know, they will add this one for flavor and is actually very good for health.
Yeah, Finland ng kaibigan ni Ram, guys.
Usually they give there like a free or maybe 1-2 pesos, they must so much. Here, one of these is 30 pesos.
Yeah, so expensive.
This one part, this one, that's all. 30 pesos.
Hoy, take that one. We need it for the curry later.
This, my friend, is the owner of the house.
Yeah.
He's the one planted when it came. He's really doing. We need the seed. If you have seed, we can do it.
Yeah. We'll bring maybe and we'll plant there also in Davao.
Yeah.
Let's go na. Dali. Ayaw na lang umalis, guys. Okay, bye. We'll be back later. Let's freshen it up first. Kakagising lang namin. Lumabas lang kami para tumingin-tingin sa paligid. Come on. Later, you'll come here again, okay? Play with other kids.
Okay.
Yeah, coffee.
So nice and windy outside.
Right? Can sit there and drink coffee. Okay, there.
Oh, you're boiling the
Eggs.
eggs already?
I'll try this one with dal. See.
Okay. My boys are experiencing real life in the Philippines na talaga, guys. Hindi na sa condo. Talagang sa barangay na nakatira, which is nakakatuwa. Nag-e-enjoy sila. Ang dalawa nagwawalis sa labas. Ang init pa naman. Almost done na akong magluto. Kailangan ko namang maglinis ng bahay. Kasi parang alam ko malinis siya pero yung paa ko, feeling ko dusty. So, maglinis tayo and then mag-fix ng bed. Nagkasya kami kagabi dito, guys. Literal, medyo maliit siya para sa amin. Pero nagkasya kami. And then yung internet pala, buti na lang yung aking hotspot sa aking phone, enough na siya para makapag-upload ng video. So, nakapag-upload ako ng video kagabi. Sinimulan ko siyang i-upload sa YouTube ng mga 11 o'clock ata ng gabi. Then natapos siya ng mga 2-3 o'clock, okay lang guys. Kahit na matagalan, basta lang ma-upload lang yung video. And talagang nangyari siya. So I'm so happy. Hindi ko na kailangan ng other internet pa ng kapitbahay. Kasi nga, mahina. And then, pag nagpunta naman kami sa cafe, ay nako, mahirap. So, pagtsatsagaan natin ang ilang oras na pag-upload ng video while tayo ay tulog. Pero, okay lang. Saktong-sakto naman. Ang ating upload time is 12 noon. Maraming oras pa. Jensen is very hot as compared to Davao, guys.
Because sometimes most of the time in Davao it rains every day, but in Jensen it doesn't really rain.
Maybe it rain also.
Rain also, but it is hot. My friend Gilbert said already. It's hot.
He's from here, right?
He's from here.
Can you move the fan, please, Leslie? Put inside maybe. Daddy Ram enjoying the hot weather. Can put the fan outside, Daddy?
You put that, there's the power point outside, so something.
Ang init sa labas.
We drink coffee also, coffee you're not drinking?
Yeah, I'm drinking my coffee inside.
Inside?
Yeah, with AC. Drinking hot coffee here, outside, in a hot weather. Huh? You miss Gudam? Gudam is like this, hot. Ayan, nilagyan ko ng electric fan. Kawawa naman. Gusto na talaga ito sa labas. Enjoy. Iniba ni Daddy Ram ang kanyang setup, guys. So, inopen niya yung store. May saksakan pala doon. Then, nakakapag-charge na siya ng cellphone. Electric fan and laptop. Nagtatrabaho. Nakiki-wifi sa kapitbahay.
Ryan, test for you. I want you to find out curry leaf and get for us.
How many?
Just like one branch. You see, I want you to see which one you know or not first thing. You know what is curry leaf. Test for you. You're right. You passed test. Yeah, that's enough.
Sobrang nakakatuwa, guys. Na-amaze pa rin kami na may ano dito, curry leaves. That's enough na.
Enough.
Should not waste.
When you go down, then we'll bring more.
So nice the vibes here, guys.
Right?
Diba?
Refreshing, like some kind of went back to old days. This is how we grew up.
Ryan, come on!
Maybe.
Nag-water daw siya ng plants. Siya talaga ang nag-ano, guys, nagsabi. Nakita niya may mga bulaklak dito.
The leaves are blocking it.
It's okay. Just put as much as you can.
I'll go the big one. The big ones need more water.
Yeah. Tapos na ang ating rice. Hopefully it's okay. Mukhang okay naman. At least gumagana. Ating itlog. Ito parang na-burn, guys. Ang kanyang ano kasi, guys, apoy masyadong malakas. So, may doubt ako na baka nasunog yung lentils. Parang okay naman, pero parang yung sa ano niya, bottom part medyo nag-burn. Ta-transfer ko na lang. You need my help, Daddy?
I cannot open, maybe you also cannot open. Let me watch it.
I'll teach you a technique of how to open that one.
Is it?
Yes, wait for me. How is it, Mana?
Delicious.
Yamersian,
Yamersian.
lentils and boiled egg.
There's lentils.
Yeah, papu. So, who open it?
Yeah, madam, open it.
With my strong hands.
Yeah. Madam is the technique.
Because I am the strongest.
You're the strongest man in the world.
Yeah, I'm stronger than Daddy.
Daddy,
Yeah.
Ryan is stronger than you. He said.
Yeah, he's very strong.
Me.
Yummers.
I'm stronger.
I want to eat this because.
Want to try?
Know the answer to that. Where are we going first, Daddy?
Let's explore nearby. What is it?
Okay.
At least something we need is there.
Laundry. I think it's close.
Yeah. No, laundry is.
Kailangan namin magpa-laundry. Huh? No, it's closed, Daddy. Magpa-laundry. We need to buy water and vegetable.
A bed. I have pillows.
What else? A bed and pillows.
No, not a bed, not a bed. We need pillows. We need
Pillows. Kasi konti lang yung pillows.
And a blanket.
There's a lot of
There's
blanket.
my fruits. Are
Yeah, avocado. Wala, ang dami. We're so near, Daddy, sa market. Oh,
This is the one Paul was telling me.
see, isda. Baboy. For sure, may manukan din dyan.
Tuna.
Of course, this is Jensan.
The capital of Philippines.
May nakita kaming laundry shop na open. I-drop namin yung laundry para mamaya ready na for pick up, diba? Pagkatapos nating mag-ikot-ikot. It's actually almost 4 o'clock na. Nice there, Daddy. So cheap only. 250 I think for 2 loads already. So much clothes. It's cheaper than there in Panabo and Davao.
Wash and dry?
Yes.
And food also?
Yes.
Oh my god, so cheap. That's double we paid in Panabo.
Yeah, actually.
Panabo in
Davao 500 yung nabayaran namin sa ano. Davao.
Let's
Yes.
say here.
Malapit pa sa bahay. Park somewhere so we can buy vegetables and fruits.
Park there. Okay.
Yeah. We can just cross the street. Vegetables? Which one? Onion?
Pila onion? Pila?
180. Same price, right?
Like Panabo.
Like Panabo?
Dito ni ma'am.
Okay.
160 na lang.
That? Anything else?
Yeah, this. No. You want one
Not that big, Daddy.
or
Yeah, okay.
For mom.
Okay? Pila? Pila?
Bayo ang tapok ma'am.
20.
20.
This is 20.
Dito lang din.
20 is tapok. So, 1 tapok? This
20,
one?
20, yeah.
Yeah.
On top, yeah. 200, right?
200. 205, I think.
205. 260.
Pila? 260, one tray. One tray, 260, yeah.
Another pack, go on the pack.
Okay. Avocado time.
110.
Ha? Sorry?
100.
3,100. Ha? Yeah. Ramda, Mr. Palengke. Wait, this one. Kalimut ko. Balik kami sa bahay, guys. Ida-drop namin yung mga pinabili namin. Lalo na yung manok, kailangan ilagay sa fridge. So, balik tayo dito. Okay, we're here. It's so nice. Talagang everything is available so nearby.
Yeah.
Punta naman kami, guys, sa Plaza General Santos. Right, baby?
Yeah.
It's 21 minutes away.
It's the general, right? What is this? General or general?
Yeah. Spanish Tagalog word for general is general.
It's meaning of general only. I thought why is like that. Okay.
Yeah. Ito yung parang sentro na malapit sa amin. Marami ding mga pharmacy. Ayan, may salon pa. Kailangan ko nang pumunta dyan. Pagtulog si Daddy Ram, punta tayo dyan, guys. Ayan, maraming shops. It's nice place, right, baby? You can really buy a lot of things. And how's the prices?
Very cheap.
The
Avocado
fruits and
is cheaper than
vegetables?
Panabo.
Is it?
Cheaper than Panabo.
That's good.
You said laundry also cheaper than there.
Yeah. Yesterday, Daddy Ram enjoyed the free road. Ngayon, nag-start na maging traffic din dito sa Jensan. Akala mo ha, walang traffic dito. Meron din.
Today is Monday.
Today is Monday, Nana. Oh, diba? A lot of signal light, right, Daddy? Yung napansin ko. Every junction, may signal lights. Sabi ni Daddy Ram, iba din daw ang auto dito. Ganyan, ang cute daw.
Yeah, it's cute. It's different from other parts of the Philippines.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
It's cute, right?
Yeah.
Different somehow. Oh, ito pala. Andito pala sila. Ang dami.
Here the pedicabs is like a little proper way, like the Indian auto. In the off is like, you know, behind people is like holding on. It's like the more
Slanting.
people, yeah, like slanting like that. The more people, they're like more like that. And
Heavier on
sometimes
the
they
backside.
cannot even see the driver front like that. Here is like different.
Seems like you've been busy since you went away. I'm just flipping through your pictures, I can tell you look more than okay.
Ito na kami, guys, sa Plaza General. Ang ganda. I love Jensen. Hindi pala Metro Jensen. I love Jensen ka dyan. Magpo-post na agad yan silang dalawa. Ayan, ang ganda sa background. Let's go, Daddy.
Walk around.
Let's walk around. Papawis tayo. I think Kalilangan Festival recently, guys. So nice that road, Daddy.
Yeah, we'll go.
Right? Kahit ito, oh. Malapit siya sa university, guys, kaya maraming estudyante. Ito ata yung kanilang decoration ng festival. Malaking park. Hanggang doon pa. I'll take a picture of you guys, okay? Here also at the back.
We are looking at like that. This side. Like this.
1, 2, 3. Ayan, oh, Kalilangan 2025. We missed the festival, Daddy.
This festival in
I think
one day.
1 day or 2 days?
2 days. Become second. 28th is last day.
Medyo na-late tayo ng 2 days. It would have been fun. First experience of a festival in Philippines.
Yeah, first.
Yeah.
There are tribal dances, a lot of activities.
Lakad-lakad lang kami, guys. May nakita kami parang night market somewhere here. So, yun yung aming pupuntahan ngayon. Ito pala, guys, Jensen Oval Plaza.
They're not giving me buko.
How many times nag-try si Daddy Ram na bumili ng buko? Hindi daw available.
They're not selling buko. Only that buko juice only.
What can we eat from here? Ryan, what do you want? Shawarma? Is it shawarma?
Yes, shawarma.
They have like this also. Oh. Mga rides. I think we'll be busy later. Evening time, right? More people. Buy one, take one. They also have shawarma here. Yeah, it's written. Ang laki ng lugar. But we came too early, I think.
It's just starting now.
Dalawa ang disappointment ng aking boys, guys. Una, yung coconut juice journey ni Daddy Ram. Ilang coconut vendor na ang aming inano, guys. Tinanong kung nagbebenta ba sila ng buong coconut. Sabi nila hindi daw. So, hindi nakainom ng coconut juice ni si Daddy Ram. Then, si Raya naman, gusto ng chicken shawarma. Ayaw daw niya ng beef. Wala silang chicken. Beef lang. So, hindi siya nakakain. Hindi pa sila ready doon. Siguro mamaya. After an hour, maybe, the stalls are ready and open. Medyo maaga kami nagpunta doon.
Usually, shawarma chicken only, right? In Dubai also. And beef also.
No, there are beef also, Daddy.
But majority chicken.
May mga stalls din pala dito, guys. So, Daddy, buko is there. But we don't know if they will give you.
I mean, did you notice one thing in the traffic, in the vehicles, major thing? You know what? No jeepney. So far, I did not see any jeepney.
Yeah.
Only the small pedicabs, that's all only.
But that one there, Daddy, on that multi-cab. They have multi-cab.
Yeah. Maybe in different places, but so far I didn't see any jeepney from yesterday until now.
Yeah. But I saw some taxis also. Of course, bus will be there.
Yeah.
But maybe very less jeepney if there is.
Yeah. What is this? Is it a kind of transportation? I saw sitting okay, but this is like...
Nagulat si Daddy Ram. Bakit daw ganyan na? I think they will put like maybe baboy or some other animals.
Okay, like the transportation, but they're using right now like this.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought, what is this?
Gulat na gulat si Daddy Ram. Dito kami sa Save More, guys. May mga konting bibilhin. Mga kulang-kulang sa bahay. Bread.
Ayan, tuna.
You wanna try? Tuna buns? I want also. Let's buy. Daddy is comparing prices now. Nakita namin yung chicken, 180 something here, right, Daddy?
187.
Outside is 200. Then avocado?
Avocado is also cheap. It's 80 plus 80. Right?
Ah, okay. Mas mura daw doon sa labas yung avocado.
But just comparing one, just want to know.
Yes, yes, Daddy. For educational purposes.
Good thing everything is compared. Big one.
Yeah, the big one. You don't want the cheese hot dog, right? Okay. Take that one. Did they have onion paratha?
Yeah, paratha they have pita wraps.
Oh, pita wraps. Tortilla wraps. Check out what you want. I want this. Bahala ko din na dirams.
Wait, no.
You want me to check if they have mutton?
Yeah.
Okay. Beef. Some pork. Naamoy mutton?
Lamb.
Sheep or goat? Wala. No. In KCC Mall, they said available maybe. Mutton. Let's go one day. Tara.
Searching.
Milk. Bear brand there. You missed already. Below. Yes.
No way.
No way.
Favorite.
His favorite.
I'll get 3.
Kailangan namin ng scissor and then double-sided tape. Okay, come on. Let's look for Daddy.
Come on, give it.
Nakakita naman ng shawarma dito, guys. Gusto na talaga ng shawarma. I will check, okay, if they have chicken.
I need to say good luck. There's barely any meat. And extra meat is 30 pesos.
Just try first. Daming reklamo muna. Ah, careful. You will eat the paper. You like it? Hmm? Here's tissue. Tastes different, but okay.
It's too much
Too much vegetable.
Good, right.
It's good. Right? Almost done, Ryan.
No chicken now.
You're complaining? That's chicken.
Nakuha na namin ang aming pinalaundry kanina, guys. Ang bilis lang. Yeah, ano ko pa yan? Arrange. Dito muna yan.
Yeah, that only 2 only.
One tapok.
Tapok means 3.
One
lot.
Yeah.
You get 3. So cheap, 20 pesos only 3.
Dan masaya din siya sa kanyang avocado. Take your fruits. Ito yung patatas, sweet potato, makakapag ano, boiled ng sweet potato. Some chilies and onions. You know? Ryan, can you please give to Daddy this one? This one we need to wash apple.
Put there, the wash it, put it in the fridge. So some in the fridge.
Save for actually SM also, Daddy. That's why you were able to use the card.
Yeah, definitely.
So, walang hanger dito. At least may dala-dala kaming hanger kung saan kami pumunta. Then, Ryan, help me please. 1 second. This one you put in the freezer. Hot dog. Then, bumili ako ng mga ganito, tuna, Argentina. Minsan, gusto kong kumain ng Filipino food. Tapos, yung luto namin is Indian food. So, at least. Then, Dutch milk para kay Ryan. Try this one, Ana. Walang mug dito. So, oh, yung cute. Coffee, nakalagay. Try this one. So small. Yeah. It's okay, just try. Maybe you won't like it. Presto na biscuit. Na-miss ko to. Yan ang paborito ni Ryan na chocolates. No, not now. You just ate.
Wait, didn't I get all of this?
3, I think.
Nah, I took one secretly.
Very good ka talaga. Oh my god, it's so tiny.
Yeah, it's like a baby. Baby drink. Here I come, baby drink.
How is it?
There's a blueberry ice cream.
Ini, caldereta. Another mug. And wala kaming sandok. Sandok. Coffee.
Yay.
Scissors. What else we got? Monde. Paborito. Monde na mon. Ito para sa rice. Milk din. Wala dito. And Bear Brand. That's it. Ito naman ay tuna bread and ham and cheese bread.
Is that ham and cheese or this is?
This is tuna, I think that's ham and cheese.
I'm not.
Try this one. Tuna bread.
Taste test.
Kola dirham. You saw the tuna?
I don't taste it.
You didn't taste it yet? The tuna? Okay. Try.
Good, it's actually good.
Is it?
Daddy,
taste test.
Not bad. How is it?
Tuna bread.
Is it?
Really? Surprisingly?
I think I ate in Dubai a few times. That's why my taste is little with me.
So are you gonna eat tuna now? Huh?
Try it. I think.
Okay. My boys at their office again, guys.
I'll keep it outside.
Do you want this?
Yes.
Huh?
I didn't taste it yet.
Okay. 1 minute, I'll get the bowl. Busy si Dadiram, guys. Kaya si Ryan na lang ang mag-close ng vlog. Say bye, guys. Bye,
Bye
guys.
guys, like, share, subscribe, like, share, ring the bell icon. Bye, see you guys. Peace.